Hello friends, welcome to Ujjwal Cooking Show. If you are visiting my channel for the first time, please click the red subscribe button below for subscribing the channel and bell icon for further notifications. Today let's make nutty swirls. They are very tasty and crispy swirls. We are going to see with oven as well as I am showing you nutty swirls without oven too, that is on the gas stove. Let's see how to do these crispy swirls. First, in a mixing bowl I am taking khajur, dates around 2 teaspoons. Next I am taking 1 to 1.5 teaspoon of cranberries. These are dried cranberries. Next goes raisins or dried grapes, 1 to 2 teaspoon of dried grapes. You can adjust the quantity according to your need. Then 1 teaspoon of chopped almonds, badam, around 1 to 1.5 teaspoon of cashews. Next comes pistachio, 1 teaspoon of pista chopped. Then I am taking some tutti frutti, colorful tutti fruttis, around 2 teaspoons. Then I am taking here 3 teaspoons of desiccated coconut powder, 1, 2 and 3. Let's mix them well. This is very tasty swirls since all the colorful things have gone. Now I am putting 1 teaspoon of sugar. You can omit the sugar if you don't want to use it. You can just avoid it. The mixture is ready now. Now I am taking pastry sheets. You can see the pastry sheet recipe in my vegetable puff pastry video. The same sheets I am going to use, but you can make the quantity lesser showed in that video. I am just cutting it in between now. I have got 2 sheets now. Let's roll it. Little bit thinner so that when we roll it, it comes out good. I am taking the second one too and roll it by dusting some all-purpose flour in the same way. This tastes good for Christmas or New Year Eve for kids and everyone. The desiccated coconut and the tutti fruttis and all the things make it very tasty. Now let's take the mixture and put it. Fill it nicely all over everywhere. This is a very easy recipe and it will be liked by everyone in the family, adults and kids, everyone. It tastes good with evening snack or can be used as a dessert too. Now on the layer, I am putting the second layer. Press it lightly so that they don't tear while rolling it. Now I am using some more. Now for the second layer, don't fill it more because it will be very difficult to roll. So fill the filling little. Don't put more filling. Now go on folding from one side, make it a roll tightly, go on folding it. It's like a spring roll. Just go on folding, make it a roll, and the roll is ready now. Just press a little. Now for the binding the border or the corner, let's take little bit of water, brush the water on the sides and fix it. Now the edge has been tightly done. See, the roll is ready now. It has been sealed very nicely too. That's it. Now it's time to cut it. Let's go on cutting with a knife. Don't make very thin rolls, otherwise while cooking it doesn't cook well and all the mixture will come out. So make little bit bigger rolls, thick rolls. Now let's take it out in a plate. See how nicely they look, the filling, everything. Now press gently. Let's take the other one. See, so yummy and tasty. Once they are baked, it will be very tasty and crispy. Press it gently. All the 5 rolls are ready. I am putting it into a baking tray on the parchment paper or the wax paper. Now they are ready to bake. Now before keeping it to the oven, let's brush it with some milk on the top so that we have that golden color on the top. You can also do egg wash, that is just take 1 egg and beat it and put it in the same way as milk. Now it's ready to go into the preheated oven of 390 Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, our crispy swirls are ready. Let's see how they are baked. See how golden in color on both the sides. Just start checking after 12 minutes. It takes 12 to 15 minutes. Let's take it out in a plate and serve it. See, our crispy swirls are ready here. Our baked crispy swirls. Now it's time to see our without oven swirls. They too look like this, so crispy. Enjoy this swirls. Now let's see how to do it without oven. I'm doing it in a kadai. Let's put salt. This salt is brown in color because this is a salt which I have used it before too. Spread the salt evenly. Keep such type of stand. If you don't have such stand, just use a small plate and close the lid. Keep the flame to medium to high heat. Now in a plate, I have just spread some oil and brush the oil first. On that, I am keeping the swirls. I have kept all the swirls here. Same way, we are going to brush some more milk to have the golden color on the top, and it goes into the preheated kadai here. We had kept it on the medium flame and it is preheated now. After 10 minutes, just see, it's half cooked. Now it's time to flip it. So I'm taking here the plate outside so that I can flip the swirls. That the down part is cooked now. See how golden in color they are. Let's keep it back. And to have the airtight, I put the bowl on the top. Then again after 10 minutes, this side is cooked. See, on the both the sides now they are cooked. I'm flipping it again. Now see, it's cooked well. Now again let's keep for 2 to 3 minutes. First 10 minutes, then the other side 10 minutes, then the last time we are just going to keep it 2 to 3 minutes. See, now it's totally done. It looks so yummy, the crispy one, that too without oven. We are baking it on the tawa on the stove. See how well cooked they are. But just keep watching it. Our without oven swirls are ready. Let's take it out in a plate. The crispy swirls are yummy over here. Enjoy this crispy swirls this Christmas or New Year. See how you can do it at home too. Thank you. Happy New Year.